Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to rename a group. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's check out the content of the /etc/group directory. Here we have different groups, okay? And as you can see here, the IT group doesn't make a whole lot of sense, because in IT we could have the security administrators, the Linux administrators, the network administrators, the IT support, the help desk. So in order to not make it so confusing, I'm going to be renaming it. Okay, so type group mod -n. Please note that if you weren't signed in as root, you'd need to type sudo. Okay, so I'm going to type the new name I want to change it to, which is help desk, and the original name, which is IT. If I hit enter, then you'll notice that when I go to the first, let me clear the screen. When I view the content of the /etc/group, you notice that the IT group their name has been changed to help desk, and that is basically how you would rename a group. Okay everyone, I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.